Good day to all. It's Coach Alvin checking in today on SG Dr. Wellness. Hope all is going well for you. A healthy immune system protects us by combating external elements such as viruses, bacteria, and free radicals from wreaking harm to the body, which can cause infections and illnesses to set in. The immune response outlines the immune system's ability to produce antibodies to counter these pathogens and eliminate them. Essentially, whole foods that are typically rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals are considered ones that can help strengthen the immune system. In this episode, we will discuss 8 of such immune-bolstering foods you should consume on a regular basis. If you have not yet subscribed to us, keep us going by hitting the subscribe button now. Number 1. Oily fish. Oily fish such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have beneficial anti-inflammatory effects. This may help in the management of inflammatory and autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, and combat cardiovascular diseases as well. Aim to incorporate a lightly fried or baked versions of these oily fish at least 2 to 3 times a week. Number 2. Tea. Tea, preferably the less sugared ones, serve as great sources of antioxidants known as polyphenols and flavonoids. Antioxidants help to strengthen the immune system by neutralizing cell-damaging free radicals in the body. Research also showed that flavonoids have a significant impact in boosting the respiratory tract's immune system. Enjoy freshly brewed green, black, or white tea regularly. They not only have thirst-quenching and calming properties, the potent antioxidative effect can have beneficial effects to the body as well. Number 3. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a great snack that is rich in an antioxidant known as theobromine. Similar to tea, the strong antioxidative effects prove to be an effective tool against cell-ravaging free radicals. Do pick dark chocolate bars that are 70 to 80% cocoa content and avoid milk chocolate versions which are typically high in sugar and fat. Number 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes contain beta-carotene, which the body processes into vitamin A. Vitamin A supports the immune system by creating barriers in the eyes, gut, genitals, and lungs, which trap infectious agents such as bacteria. It is also involved in the production of white blood cells, which help to clear pathogens from the blood. Number 5. Spinach. Spinach contains a number of immune-boosting essentials such as antioxidants, flavonoids and carotenoids, and vitamin C and E. Lightly stir-fry and avoid overcooking as it can leave the vegetable slimy and accentuate its bitter flavor. Number 6. Yogurt. Yogurt, the low-fat versions and preferably Greek yogurt, are high in gut-friendly probiotics. These beneficial bacteria help to prevent gut dysbiosis. It is the disruption of the balance between good and bad bacteria in the body which is shown to reduce the immunity of our airways and lungs. Number 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is another super vegetable that is packed with vitamins A and C and also an antioxidant known as glutathione. Last but not least, blueberries. Blueberries contain anthocyanin, which is a type of flavonoid that can help bolster the body's immune system. Blueberries are a versatile fruit that can be eaten on its own or as delicious and convenient toppings for cereals, yogurt, and fruit salads. Understand that whole foods like these are the best sources for the body to absorb the necessary vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can keep the immune system strong and functioning. Hope all of you have learned more on the immunity boosting foods from this episode, and thank you for staying to the end. Till the next time, stay safe and stay healthy.